Oh, listen. Oh, it's me. Wow, yeah. I'm so raw. Turn the music on. I'm in the booth with my troops. Niggas don't know. I hit the roof, but these don't know. I am in the roof. I am so flow. I got the roll. I got diamonds, just like the moles. Oh shoot. Listen to me, nigga. Listen. I got it going on, nigga. Listen. Okay, nobody never heard of me in the booth and I'm with my troops. People always saying Robbie can't rap. I would say give me that or give me a hat. Nah, give me your mom's. No, give me your girlfriend. Then I show her how I can rap. LOL, smiley face, listen to that. So, I'm in the booth, thinking of stuff. I'm in my lab, just like a rab. Oh, I'm just like a rabbit. I be chewing on these haters. I be chewing on these fake rappers who say I can't rap, but look at them. I will battle you. I will rattle you. I will chop you. I will hop you. I will chop and bop and cop and hop. You won't know what came at you, cause my lyrics is so hot, just like me. That is a mop. Oh, nah. They say I'm a mop, but I tell them they are a scrub. Rub. But listen to me. You never heard of me, because you will. In a couple months, a couple of years, no. Nigga, no you won't. Everybody knows that is me. That is me doing that thing. Listen, this is me doing. I'm gonna be that just like a prophecy. I said so properly. You must be something like a prophecy, just like a referee, just like a referee. So, nobody never heard of this. They don't wanna touch this. They don't wanna hurt. Don't wanna make. Don't wanna take this. Cause they know it's gonna come at them like that. So, don't mess with this. Cause I'm so raw. Turn the music on. Up in the booth. Up in the roof. What I said that, but let me jump in the Lambo. People wanna say, Rob, you from Broria. That's a whack town. That's a bird town. What you gonna do? You never can make it. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna take it. Cause I'm gonna make it whatever you say. Cause I know I'm gonna make it. Don't tell me I won't make it. Cause I already know I will make it. So you listen up. Cause I will take it. Cause you are so pitiful. You are just so rude. Just so loose. So don't hate. Just appreciate. Cause I am back. I am rap. Okay. Listen that. I am back like coming from Iraq in a damn pack. Just like a lack. Just like a rat. That's it, Mac. Okay, listen up. I am back. Peace out, y'all. I will be back.